So Uber drivers killing the surge at airports. Well, okay, I'm not going to give up too much of, obviously, you guys can know by zooming into the map where exactly this is. But so I get this email. This is like, actually, this would be a good time after this if you guys want to come on and talk about this about a few minutes. Like, how many drivers can you convince in your area to turn their goddamn app off or drive with no new requests? He goes, Sergio, I work in a small market in Georgia. All right. And I'm having a problem with 3 drivers trying to manipulate my airport surge down. Down meaning with the capital down, right? So here's what these knuckleheads are doing. There are only 10 to 15 drivers total that work this market, and 3 of them are trying to run the airport surge down so we can't attach the surge and cherry pick. Whoever these 3 drivers are, my email, sergio@RideShareGuy.com, I will convince you not to do this. Please don't do this. Anyway, then he goes, they stay online at the airport and refuse every ride to make the surge lower or non-existing. Knuckleheads, boneheads. You can easily manipulate this, bro. Easily. You know what I'm saying? But anyway, I was like, this part I was laughing. Then I got mad. They have repeatedly said that we are, meaning the people who turn the app off, because this is the only right we have, by the way, people, as independent contractors, we can turn the app off whenever and whatever we want, period. That's it. So anyway, they go, they're telling the drivers who are turning their app off to push the surge up that those drivers are doing something against terms of service. No, that's not true. But anyway, the guy goes, we only have 2 flights per day from Delta, and some occasional private flights come in. So his problem is these 3 knuckleheads, okay, are the screenshot on the left is what they're doing when they have the app on. And the funny thing is, Chris, they keep refusing trip after trip after trip just to leave the apps on to kill the surge for the rest of the group. How selfish are you, mofos, bro? Are you guys out of your minds? And this is when the screenshot on the right is when
How are they not being put in a timeout?
Huh?
How are they not being put in a timeout?
I don't know. That must be there in a city that they don't. But the screenshot on the right is what happens when those 3 are gone. Look what happens. Do you see what's happening? $16 surge. This is exactly what I'm saying, people. Turn the damn apps off, bro. This is what will happen. We'll swim in cash. We don't need their 60 cents a mile or whatever. So, Caro, yes. So here we go. This is the deal. So now the guy goes, I don't know what to do. So what is your suggestion, chat? This guy, he goes, yesterday, all 3 of them sat online and refused every ride, and the surge went down to $7, of which I did not get a screenshot. Our riders and customers don't pay for the surge unless they are in the area. We have shown them the proof of it. So what can we do? What can the other 12 drivers do? Any help and advice would be appreciated. This is what I said. I said to them, one, to this guy, poor guy, I said to them, go show them your receipts that the passenger is not being overly charged out of the airport for those 2 single flights that come in during the day. 2, show them how much more money, because why are they in this business anyway? Are they in the business to go sit at the airport with their apps on or to make money? I'm not sure. These 3 knuckleheads have some sort of brain damage, which I go like, why are you out there then? Seriously, like, why? You had a fight with your wife? You just want to get out of the house, turn the app on, and kill the surge for other people? I mean, it doesn't make sense to me. So what do you guys say? What do you guys say here? What should I tell this guy? I don't even know.
I don't know.
What do you say?
I mean, I having 10 to 15 drivers total that work the market, that's very small amount.
Surge so through the roof is not even funny.
Huh?
I would have that surge hit $50, bro. I'll tell you something.
Oh my God. I mean, you look at it at the one screenshot and it's $16, but if they're doing it, I'm just really surprised that, they're not putting a timeout, because if they're just sitting there with the apps on and nothing happening, I'm just really surprised that that's happening like that.
I do not understand the thought process behind not making more money. I just don't understand. If we're independent contractors and you're going to come tell me that I'm going to leave my app on and burn your search to pieces because it's against the terms of service, are you serious right now? I mean, why are you out there then, people? Those 3 of you, I don't know who you are, but if you're watching, why are you out there? What's your purpose in life? To piss other drivers off? Is that what it is?
Yeah, I was just going to say
this is,
that.
by the way, this is, Chris, exactly why the drivers cannot come together and do anything about anything. Because this is it right here. From the smallest city, if this is happening in a tiny city with 2 flights coming in, okay, what do you think is happening in LAX? What do you think happening in Chicago O'Hare? There are drivers that are just there just to go, I'm just going to accept, and go. I'm like, okay, well, there you go.
Yeah, I don't know. I mean, I'm at a loss. When I read that, I'm like,
that's real.
How does that even make sense?
It's real.
How does that even make sense? I don't understand it. Like, why would people do that? Fares are already low, and this is where is this? Brunswick, Golden Isle? I'm not sure where that is.
Look, this guy already had made $156. Okay, I bet you he's a surge hunter. I bet you he's doing well. I bet you he's doing everything we tell him to do. And you know, when those guys are not there, look at that $16 surge. When those 3 knuckleheads are there with the apps on, $225 surge. Like, why? Why? Who cares? What are you thinking? Like, you're looking out for the passenger. I get it. Nice thought. Except that when on high surge kicks in, actually, Uber does not make that much money because they cannot charge. The algo does not go that high. They don't charge them like some ridiculous amount. Okay, those are, by the way, all the driver receipts or statements we're getting that Uber is losing shit ton of money every month, every week on these guys. So you got to play the game a little bit. Look out for yourself first, because you should, and then play the game. Look, just because it's an algorithm doesn't mean it's not manageable. Well, you can play the game. You got to play the game. So there you go.
Yeah. Pretty interesting, though. I mean, I've heard some crazy stories, but I would have never thought to hear something like that.
Hang around, you'll hear it.
All right, thanks for watching. That short little clip was from our live stream, Show Me the Money Club with Sergio and myself, Tuesdays, 6 p.m. Eastern, 3 p.m. Pacific. Make sure you subscribe, turn on all notifications so you get notified when we go live, as well as all of our awesome content. Make sure to check out this video right here, which will take you to the entire live stream, or check out this video right there. All right, drive smart, everyone.